guys, Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me. Hey, hi, hello. Before we get into today's video, I apologize that you have not seen my face, but it has been a rough ride over here at this house. If you didn't know, I had a C2 to T2 fusion almost 6 months ago now, which is bananas. On the 23rd, it'll be 6 months. I'm filming this on the 17th. And the last few weeks have been not great. I've had some of the worst pain I've ever felt in my life. So it's been rough over here at this house, but I need to get back to my life, and makeup has always been, not always been, but within the last 6 or 7 years has been a very important part of my journey, and I missed it, and I missed you guys, so I'm ready to get back to it. So this is late. This should have gone up last week. So I created this project. It's called Faceoff, and it's all about our complexion products. So think primers, foundations, which I have 10 million of, blushes, which I have 9 million of, bronzers, face palettes, etc. And this is a makeup based project, and it's meant for you to either use up products or get use out of products. So it started November 10th, 2025. We go through November 9th, 2026. 3 to 6 products. This project is meant to be a rolling style project, but if that won't work for you, then you can absolutely modify it to fit your needs. I try to keep all of my projects open-ended unless they're prompt-based. And even then they're open-ended. So I have 5 products today. 2 have finished goals, and the rest are usage goals. I'm going to use this like a Project 10 uses and go through some things to see if I feel like I want to keep them, or if I'm ready to donate them to Project Beauty Share, or if they are just garbage and need to go in the trash. So let's start with my very first product. This is to finish. So this has a red dot on it. That's because it was in a different project. I have no idea what color project this is going to be, but you're going to see dots on some things, and that's because that's how I keep my product straight in my brain. So this is a blush. This is the Bear With Me blush. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that line. I think they only have a couple of things left from that line. Actually, NYX has a habit of that. This is a really pretty blush. It's a really nice formula. The only issue is this packaging doesn't prevent the blush from basically evaporating. So it is partly evaporating, and that's the main reason why I want to get it finished. I do feel like it would work as an everyday blush for me, so we will just have to wait and see. It will probably be layered with something else. You guys know how I do. If you don't know, I like to layer, and I wear a lot of makeup. So that's a finished goal, and the next one is this. I am on the hunt for a wrinkle filling smoothing primer that actually does what it claims to do. I am 47. I will be 48 in April. I'm on a weight loss, I don't want to call it a journey. I've been losing weight. And one of the things that's happened is I'm starting to get looser skin in my face, but I'm also starting to get wrinkles. Once you lose weight, you start to look a little bit older because fat don't crack. So yeah, it doesn't show as many wrinkles. And then I've got this one right here, and I've got this right here that I really struggle with foundation settling there. And I don't think it's always the foundation. Sometimes I think it could be a good primer. So this is supposed to be a plump right back. That's what it claims to do. So I have several primers that I'm going to try to work through this year, and we'll see if we can find one that works and is still produced, because I found one that is lovely, but they no longer make it. Thanks, L'Oreal. But anyway, this is in the finish. Speaking of L'Oreal, I am bringing in this True Match foundation. This is in 0.5. It's what I have on today. It's actually really pretty. And this is my first time to wear it. I don't know how many foundations I have. Probably 50 at last count. I think I've gotten through some of them, and I've donated some of them. I haven't done my inventory in forever, but you guys will get an inventory at some point. But one of my goals in this project is going to be to work through foundations. So I'm going to give this a go for 5 uses. And I think what I decided to do is get my 5 uses between now until the update, and then just bring in a new foundation every update. So that's going to kind of be my goal. So this one, pretty good color match. It is one of the more neutral ones. When something says it's neutral, it's almost always yellow, and that drives me bananas. But this is pretty neutral. So this is in for 5 uses. Another blush. Oh my gosh, these Cloudtopia blushes from Maybelline. Lord have mercy on my soul. You're like, Misty, that is deep. This is deep. And I bought it not for a blush, but to use as a bronzer, because I am on the hunt for red bronzer. I don't want orange, I want red. And I think this may fit the bill. I have to play with it a little bit more. I just got it yesterday. Like, I ordered from Ulta. They have this thing now where like some of your stuff will come next day, even if you didn't ask for a delivery or whatever, same day delivery. So anyway, this came in my latest Ulta order and it's gorgeous. And I was like, Misty, you cannot buy anymore. So I would really like to pick up some more colors, but I'm going to refrain for now. We'll see how this goes. So this blush is in for 5 uses. And then the other thing that's in for 5 uses is this. This is the Physicians Formula Butter something something stick. We have the bronzer and then we have the blush. I believe this is in the shade Berry. I basically bought this because the bronzer looked a bit more red tone online. So I don't know how, I have it on today, but I have it mixed with that new L'Oreal one. And that new L'Oreal one, I have questions about the color. But I mean, it comes across a little bit red tone in real life. And I think it will work. I'm going to try it on its own. Like I said, right now I have it, why are these paper wipes so dry? Right now I have it on top of the one from L'Oreal. So I don't know. It's probably not blended, but it is what it is. So yeah, so those are my 5 products. Again, this was meant to start November 10th. If you started and you started on time, I really do appreciate it. Things have just been, for the past 6 months, things have been wackadoodle. Actually, for the past year, things have been pretty wackadoodle over here. Actually, the last year and a half. Since having pneumonia last May, my life has been on the weirdest track ever in your life. So, as a repeat, 3 to 6 products. I am going to finish both of these and then eventually roll in another primer. And then for 5 uses, I have a foundation, a blush, and then a duo stick. And that's what we're going to be working on. So yeah, so monthly updates. I didn't mention that. You can do this here. You can do it in my comments. You can do it in the Facebook group. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab, but again, you don't have to be a Fantastic Lady to join because there are no prompts. So yeah, that's a lot of talky, but that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Let me know if you're doing this project in the comments. Let me know what you think of this project. I mean, I was thinking about the movie Faceoff when this project popped up, but I thought, you know what, I have a lot of complexion products and this would make a really fun kind of use it or lose it style project. So that's how I'm doing it. More coming, I promise. All right, bye. Thank you guys. Bye for now. Thank you. Bye. Woo.